Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but hey, you guys, I'm back and I'm just filming on my phone. Sorry if the quality is not all that good. I'm just filming on my iPhone. And yeah, so if you guys can see all this in the back, it's because I moved into my apartment. I should have did an empty apartment tour, but yeah, I just didn't want to. I want to do it until I had things in my apartment. So yeah, this is my apartment. I'm just getting it together and everything. And now I have internet. The internet man came yesterday. I'm kind of under the weather, so sorry for my how I'm talking. But yeah, you guys, I just want to show you guys a little quick overview. I'm just getting everything situated in my apartment. Just washing clothes right now and about to undo my vacuum and kind of vacuum a bit and clean up a little bit. But yeah, I know I haven't been on YouTube for about a lot of months, and I will be doing an update video, you guys. So if you want to see a video about living in Vegas and you have any questions about Vegas, definitely comment down below, and I'll definitely answer all you guys' questions. I'm a little oily. But yeah, just comment down below and I'll answer questions, do a Q&A about life in Vegas, how I found my apartment, how life has been, how from moving from Louisiana all the way to Vegas, how that was. Just anything I'll definitely do a video on. I'm probably gonna be just vlogging on my phone for a little while because I'm looking for a new camera at the moment. But I'll definitely be vlogging here and there. I'll show you guys how I decorate my apartment, maybe hauls. Yeah, and I just got some new pots. They're all white. My theme is gonna be like this color, like white and like I don't know yet, but yeah. So definitely follow me on all my social media sites, Instagram and Snapchat. And I have all those links down below. I'm under the weather. Sorry how I'm talking, and sorry if I'm looking at the camera. I'm not used to vlogging. It's been forever. I have internet now, so like I said, I can start uploading videos. I just want to do a quick video of me unboxing a few things that we just bought. I went to Sam's, Costco, and Walmart with my cousin. And yeah, so we just went do that, and then we went get our nails done. But I need to we wouldn't get our nails done, but I need to go get mine's done. I went with her. Yeah, so mine's broken. I need to redo mine, but I just didn't feel right just doing mine. I just feel sick, and I had a lot of things that I need to go do. So I went go do some shopping. We went buy things that we needed, like everything, because I left everything in Louisiana. So this is like a blank canvas. I had to buy everything I have. I had to rebuy. I need to get some stuff from Louisiana shipped because I have a few things over there. But for the meanwhile, I needed things in my apartment, so I went ahead and bought some stuff. Um, I went by like carts and lamps and batteries and vacuum and spoons, and I just bought this chair. Bought this couch at this flea market. I'll show you guys like everything once I have everything situated, because my house is gonna be like white, gold, and green plants, succulents, and all that. Um, but yeah, so I don't even know what to say. It's been so long, you guys. I don't want to just make a quick little announce video saying I'm back. And yeah, I was suffering with a lot ups and downs from these like 9 months journey. From the last video I filmed till now, it was a constant like struggle and a battle. I went through ups and downs. I had depression and everything. Oh my God. We went to a buffet and look at this. I can never keep white. I have stains all here, and I'm just going to wash, like I'm washing clothes. I shouldn't put this in the washer, so I guess I'm just hand wash this because it is kind of delicate, this sweater. But yeah, so yeah, I'll show pictures on my Snapchat if you follow me. I went to the buffet, I had brunch. But yeah, I just went through a lot going up and down, and the only people that know about it is just close people that like my YouTube besties, and my cousin. You know, they know what's really going on, but other than that, no one really knew what was going on. Hold on, let me get the better lighting. It's here. But yeah, no one really knew what was going on. I need to get a little tripod to hold my phone, because it hurts my arm. But yeah, I'll definitely open up and tell you guys how it was, because moving across and leaving all your feelings behind and everything was a struggle. But look, the comeback is always better than the setback, because I'm like really enjoy my life now, and I'm really happy to call here home. I can't believe I live here. I need to look at some old videos and like look at my growth of my personality growth, because I feel like more stronger here and everything. But yeah, so yeah, I have a lot to do. I have like, sorry for the mess in the background, but yeah, I'm unboxing my can't my vacuum cleaner right now. So yeah, doing that, and I just got this table also for a really good price. I'm furnishing my apartment like on a budget, but it's really cute. That's like the only thing that doesn't match, but I'm gonna try to get some seat covers that's white, and get a white tablecloth and everything. Try to get that, or some seat covers for the whole cover of the chair, so you could even hide the stone on it. But I'll see what I could do. But I really wanted a glass table, and I saw this one for a good price. I was like, why not? I feel like mature. Excuse me. I feel like a mature adult having a whole glass table. Like, yeah. So I'm just about to do that. Catch up on some shows. Probably This Is Us. Wash clothes, and it is going on 6 o'clock. I have to take a bath, wash the makeup off my face. I drink a couple of mimosas, so I feel a little, tired and sluggish. And then I have a cold a little bit with my allergies, so I was like, I should have never drank, but I'm celebrating that this makes a week I moved in my apartment. So yeah, this is my new and improved vlogs. I don't know where I'm going to be filming that. Guess I'm going to just do vlogs for right now until I can get my house in order and I can find like a filming location. Okay, you guys. So yeah, I'm just unboxing this spoon or utensil set, silverware set. And then I know it's dark, but I don't want to put it on my light. But I bought this, and I could do a 2 stand here, or a 3, and I can have like this or like that. But I think I'm gonna do it this way, and have like my fruits and onions and everything, and like bananas or whatever. And I just like it. I thought it'd be cute. So yeah, I got that, and then I just got a floor lamp, just a basic floor lamp at Walmart, and I bought a microwave and then another lamp. This is going to my living room. I was looking at Target, and they're the exact same one, but the legs were made out of wood, and it was just like this. And this was $20. The one at Target was $69, and this was $20 at Walmart. So I was like, this is cute. I'll just use it for the time being. But it's black instead of like wood and white. But I think it'll be okay because my TV is black, the surround sound is black, and also the TV stand is black and brownish. And then I went to Walmart and I'm trying to show you guys with one hand. I got just a gray rug to put in the bathroom because my bathroom is white and gray. And then I needed this because I needed this. So I got this, a strainer. And then, I'm trying to do this all with one hand. I got just a regular measuring cup, a big pack of batteries because at Costco, because you can't go wrong with a bunch of batteries. And our trash can is battery operated, so we needed batteries for it. So I was like, for $10 when you get a bunch, you might as well. I need shower curtains. I got gray because the bathroom is gray and white. So yeah, I got that at Walmart also. And I think that's about it. And then I got the vacuum. It's dark. Yeah, so yeah, this is my got this at Costco, and you just touch it and it opens up. So I got that in stainless steel and black. So yeah, I'm kind of busy right now, so I don't really have time to go to the grocery store, wait in line and all that, because we only have a few hours. We need to get ready for bed, undo all this, clean this, wash clothes, get our clothes ready for tomorrow. We have to wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning to get ready for work, and then I want to watch some TV. So yeah, I don't have time to be watching, like doing all this and then going grocery shopping. So I just did Instacart is where you put in a like your order on the app and they deliver, and I used it about 3 times already. So yeah, they just deliver to your house. Oh, we forgot to get hair products. Yeah, so I'm about to do that tomorrow or during the week. I need to get some hair products and body wash and deodorant. Um, and then I just bought a bunch of stuff at Target.com. I stocked up on the Swiffer Mop stuff, refills, and all that good stuff. So I'm kind of getting everything stocked up so I won't have to worry about that for a while because I get so busy during the week. I don't have time for everything. We need to get toilet paper too, so I need to make a list of everything I need to get. I need like toilet paper, and I need to get a lot of other things. It's so like so much I have to do. Every time I go to the store, I'll be like, I need this, and then I forget, and then I have another list. So I need to go look at my list and see what else I need to get and make like one more final list for the week and try to get everything done. So the weekend I could finally relax and enjoy my apartment, and then I can film some more videos for you guys and maybe do a Q&A. So definitely comment all your questions down below. I'm just waiting for my grocery deliveries to come, and I might come back on when they come so I can show you guys what I got and maybe show you guys after I set up everything. So I might be back. If not, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Peace. Hey guys, so I'm back. Like I said, I might come back. So yeah, I just got my groceries delivered. They're on the floor here. And my apartment looks just like when I moved. Like, it looked just like when I moved in. It's very junky and messy. And I have boxes and everything all over. Like, if you would have seen it, like, maybe, like, 6 hours ago, it was nice and clean. And then now, look, it's, like, junky. I still have to wash this, put this in the dishwasher. And I gotta put this in the dishwasher. Then I need to hang this up. And then I need to clean everything up and all that in the behind me. I never watched TV yet. Just setting up lamps. And then I just got my groceries, so I'm just putting these eggs into my egg carton I got. And I just thought it'd be cute to have a little acrylic egg cart. So I'm just putting my eggs in there. And then I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher also. And yeah, so I might come back before I go to bed. If not, then I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later.